What's up, guys? This is MySQL Gyan, and today's topic is interview preparation for freshers. Today, we are going to cover all the important points which you need to know before going for an interview. So, without further delay, let's start. Okay, so I have divided today's discussion into these 5 points. That is how to check background of the company, technologies this company is using, where you are supposed to give you interview, prepare technical questions as per the technology this company is using, how to go through your resume and prepare for technical questions according to your resume, and prepare for your technical and generic introduction. So I have divided today's discussion basically in these 5 points. We will go through each and every point in detail. So without further delay, let's start. So my first advice to all the freshers out there is to just go through the background about the company you are supposed to go to the interview. Just visit its website, check if it is a public limited company or a private limited company, check about its investors, who are its recent investors, who is investing in this company, check if it is a product based company. If it is a product based company, what are its product and how it is influencing the market. Check about the company's goals and its competitors. The thing is, you are just a fresher, so interviewer might come up with a question regarding the company itself. They might ask you, have you gone through our company's website? Have you checked our product? What do you think about the product? Or how can we make our product better? Or something like that. So you should be well prepared in advance regarding that kind of questions. So just go through the company's website and check about all the basic things and you are good to go. How to identify on which technologies this company is working on? This is the most simple question, because right now this is an age of social media. We have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have Facebook. This company have presence on all of these social media pages. I will recommend you to go through its company's LinkedIn profile or go through its company's employees profile. If you do not find anything relevant on company's profile page on LinkedIn, there might be events the company have attended. So you will get some basic idea if they are attending some open source events or something like that. Or if you do not find anything relevant, just go through the profile of the employees and check their background on which technologies they have worked upon. So you might get the idea on which technologies they have are working on, and based on the employee technologies, you might come to know which technology this company is working on based on this employees information, and prepare your interview questions based on these technologies, not as per your convenience. So it might be possible you are comfortable with MS SQL, but this company is working on MongoDB. So it might be possible this interviewer is more interested in NoSQL than MS SQL server. So it will be better if we prepare for MongoDB questions as well. Just go through the Google and check out basic interview questions for MongoDB and alter your resume according to that. If you have done a minor project or major project and you have written MS SQL server, just write MongoDB as well with the MS SQL server, so that you will influence the interviewer choice and you will influence them that you are comfortable and you have command on both of these databases, MS SQL, that is relational database server, as well as NoSQL database server. So that will be a plus point on your side. Another important advice I want to give you is to prepare your resume well in advance. Just do not copy or paste your resume from your friend's resume just because he or she is copied from their senior's resume or something like that. Prepare your resume as per your knowledge. Alter your resume as per research you have done so far. If you think this company is working on blah technology, add these technologies in your minor and major project. Go through your minor and major project and prepare questions for your minor and major project as well. Even if you have purchased your minor and major project, you should choose a role. What you have done in your major and minor project. They will ask you what is your roles and responsibilities in your major or minor project. So you should be comfortable with saying if you are a front-end developer in your minor project, if you are a back-end developer, or if you are a database developer in your minor project. and what technologies have you used. If you are a database developer, you have used RDBMS or NoSQL. Why you have chosen RDBMS or why you have chosen NoSQL? All these questions you should be well prepared in advance. So just go through your minor and major project and prepare all this kind of questions that they might ask you in advance. Be careful with technologies you are written in the resume. So it might be possible that you have just copied and pasted your resume from someone else. So you have written 15 to 20 technologies, but you are not aware of the basic of this 10 to 15 technologies at all. So instead of this 10 to 15 technologies, if you have written 2 3 technologies and you are well versed on these 2 3 technologies, your impression will be far better than that 10 to 15 technologies you have written and you are not able to answer any of those basic questions based on that 10 to 15 technologies. So the point is just go through your resume once or twice and then just prepare for the basic interview questions based on your resume, because the thing is they are going to judge you based on your resume only. They do not expect much from you. They will most probably ask you questions based on your minor project or major project or technologies you have worked on the college or whatever technologies you have written on your resume. So the thing is resume is a reflection of you. So instead of copying this resume, just be truthful and be confident what you are writing in the resume. And if you have written something, then you should be confident enough to give the answer regarding that point which you have written in your resume. Okay, last but not the least, you should be well prepared for your introduction part. So as a fresher, 99.99% probability is that they will start your interview with the question, tell me about yourself. So you should be well prepared for this question in advance. Just stand in front of mirror and prepare for the introduction part. If you have an elder sister or a brother, ask him to take your introduction, ask her to take your introduction part. Just prepare your introduction like, my name is this, I have completed my engineering in information technology or in computer science, and my minor project is this and my major project is this. I have also done training in this and something like that. Just make out 5 to 10 points and just prepare and shout out loud in front of the mirror. And if you have a brother, elder brother or elder sister, then just ask them to take your introduction speech, take your introduction, and you are good to go. Just prepare these questions because they will most probably start with this question only. And most of the candidates fumble in introduction part itself, and then later on their whole interview they are fumbling itself because they are not able to answer this question very well. So be prepared for this generic interview questions which you know that they are going to ask you and they will ask you. So it is very important that you will practice all these basic questions again and again in front of an mirror, and you should be confident enough to give these basic interview questions answers. So just take care of all these basic points and you are good to go for your interview. This is MySQL Gyan and I will see you in the next video.